Check out these 10 cool woodworking gadgets on Amazon that'll make your work more exact, faster, and safer. This video is part 2 of our woodworking gadgets series. After watching, don't forget to see part 1 linked in the description below. T-Track Featherboards. T-Track are tools that keep your work safe and precise. They fit into T-tracks on table saws and router tables. These boards have adjustable fingers made of tough plastic with grips that don't slip. They help stop kickback. You can use them to hold pieces steady when you're making rip cuts or joining edges. They make your work safer, help you cut more, and are a breeze to set up and adjust. You can find them for about $25. Magnetic push blocks. Said blocks are safety tools with magnets and a sturdy rubber bottom that grip wood while cutting. They give you better control and stop your hands from slipping. You can use them on table saws, joiners, and band saws to keep your hands safe from blades. They cost about $18. Which safety gadget would you buy first for your shop? T-Track Featherboards or magnetic push blocks? Digital Angle Finder Pro. The Digital Angle offers a compact, strong aluminum protractor with an easy-to-read LCD screen and a magnetic bottom for hands-free operation. This tool allows users to measure and transfer both absolute and relative angles up to 0.1 degree. It works great for setting angles on miter and table saws and to check complex joinery angles. Woodworkers find this tool helpful as it gives quick, trustworthy readings and boosts accuracy in their work. You can buy it for about $32. Auto Feed Drill Guide. The drill guide serves as a sturdy attachment to regulate feed rate for exact pocket holes and dowel joints. It boasts adjustable depth stops, quick change bushings, and a flexible fin system. This tool proves perfect for pocket hole joinery and repeated precise drilling. It makes work faster, boosts consistency, and cuts down on material damage. You can find it priced around $40. Next up, we'll show you a small gadget that can change your sanding setup. Keep watching. Rolling Workshop Caddy. The Caddy offers a movable tough steel frame storage answer with wheels that lock, parts you can adjust, and handles that feel good to hold. It's made to keep tools and extras in order. It costs about $120 and helps make workshops more mobile by cutting down on mess and making it easier to get to hand tools, screws and nails, and small machines. This makes it great for shop owners who want a strong storage system they can change as needed. Edge Banding Trimmer. The trimmer helps you trim edge banding with precision without hurting wood surfaces. It has a blade that cuts at many angles, a handle that fits well in your hand, and lets you change how deep the blade cuts. This tool works great for making furniture and cabinets. It gives your work a professional look, cuts down on sanding time, and costs about $28. You'll love the next gadgets coming up. It's going to change how we deal with dust. Compact Dust Extractor with high-efficiency particulate air filter. The Dust Extractor is a small, quiet machine made for small workshops and people sensitive to dust. It has a top-notch high-efficiency particulate air filter that catches 99.97% of tiny dust bits as small as 0.3 microns. You can adjust the suction to match your needs when sanding, cutting, or routing. This tool makes the air cleaner, cuts down on cleanup time, and keeps your workspace healthier. It costs about $200. Precision Marking Gauge with LED light. The marking gauge boasts a hardened steel scribe and an adjustable fence. A bright LED enhances visibility for marking cuts and joinery lines when light is scarce. This tool costs about $35. It's built to last, improves accuracy, and is easy to use. Woodworkers find it essential for precise layout tasks. What's your pick? Compact Dust Extractor with high-efficiency particulate air filter or Precision Marking Gauge with LED light? Share your thoughts in the comments. Multifunction Screwdriver with interchangeable bits. The screwdriver is a small tool with a comfortable grip, magnetic bit holder, and sturdy build. It has a ratcheting feature to make it useful for many tasks. You can buy it for about $22. This tool helps you put together jigs, tweak equipment, and keep your workshop in shape. It saves room, cuts down on time spent looking for tools, and makes your work easier. Magnetic Nail Holder Tool. The nail holder is a small, light gadget made of aluminum. It has strong magnets inside that keep nails in place, so you can hammer with one hand. This tool works great for framing, putting cabinets together, and working in tight spots. It keeps your fingers safe, helps you nail things faster, and costs around $15. Don't skip these woodworking gadgets that'll change how you work. Join in by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing.